Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I've got this caster that has an obvious flat. I'm going to try to replace it. I couldn't find new casters, so I'm going to replace the wheels on the current ones I have. And unfortunately I couldn't find the same style. I guess the style is not so important as the fact that these stupid things are riveted on here. So let me see if I can get that piece off of there. Oh, I might have found the drill just the perfect size. And sharpness. Wow, it's coming right out of there. Man, I tried this before and I didn't have any luck, so probably a good thing I took a little bit of a break. I should be able just to tap this out now. Yep. Man, you know what? Sometimes to get a project done, you just have to be patient and leave it for a little while. Now the new wheels that I got are the same size. Yeah, just fall on the floor. The new wheels I got are the same size. I just have to drill out these holes in here for the bolt, and then that should go together. Yeah, pretty close. These wheels are a little bit narrower, but I'll just pull it together with the bolt. It's just for a ping pong table, so it's not like it's gonna get a lot of miles on it. All right, gonna just drill these holes out real quick so that the bolt will go through. Trying to go real careful here so I don't there we go. Does that bolt go through there? Oh, close. You know what? Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. On the other side. You know, my step drill might do a better job at this. I don't know what it is with those step drills, but man, they just plow through things. And they always leave a good edge too. All right, one done. Now basically I just got to do that to 3 more. That worked out as good, if not better, than I could have hoped. But just like any rivet, if you just drill the end off of it, they usually... Is this drill bent or what? Yeah, this... I must have bent this drill ages ago. Good enough for what I needed to do. Yep. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's going a lot quicker than I thought it was going to go. Yeah, these plastic wheels, they're out on the floor out there in the pool area, and they when they don't spin, they were getting drug, and they tore right through them. They've been flat since the wheels got flat pretty easy because when they don't spin, they were just dragging. And it's a rock floor, and that ping pong table came with the house. So they've been like that for I don't know how many years. The whole time I've owned it. So now we'll have some decent wheels on them. It'll make it a lot easier to take out and put back. And maybe we'll use it a bit more. Alright. Make sure bolts going through, bolts going through. There we go. Next. I gotta go get the other two wheels off the table. Alright, got all four wheels. I've got nuts for all four wheels. Got those all drilled out. And I am going to just put them together like that. Put a little bit of thread locker on here. Yeah, it's a permanent type, but I can't get this tight enough to really lock. So I kind of have to rely on that thread locker keeping the nut from spinning off. And I'm going to tighten that a little bit, bring that distance down. And just go ahead and just like that. Oh, a little too tight. Again, that's why the thread locker's there. I suppose I could put some washers behind these, but there we go. Plenty good for a ping pong table. Again, a little bit on the threads. There we go. Now all you gotta do is just get them back on the table. We're good to go. There we go. We'll get those put back on the ping pong table, and we're good to go. Hope if you have a project around the house and need to replace the casters, most of the time they're just bolt in and you can just replace them. But if yours happen to be riveted like mine, just drill them rivets out, maybe pop the holes a little bit bigger, find some wheels that are the same size, and just found them we have a Menards here. That's my hardware store I go to for the most part. And now I've got new wheels. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great day. See you in the next video.